Mother Earth, a poem by Dr. Zahoor Hussain. Mother Earth is relaxing on a mound near a leafless tree, away from the clatter of hammers and chimneys soot, without any noise, usual or unusual. Unnoticed in the flood of light at balls under a chandelier sparkling, without any crowd on the ramp, not wearing a smile to please one and all, not among the many over a glass jar at a bar, away from the sultry sun on a naked cornfield, unaware of the basket of stones lying beside, off from the long calls of an office, not taking a guest of darkness, away from the kites and vultures, Mother Earth is relaxing. Her hands are zipped around her clutched nipples, aching with pains. Back from a fathomless desert with reeking blood from the pores spalled with needles, pins, with chains and yoke, tattoos loose and rings deep out, and feet free from the beat. In her real self, without being other than us, Mother Earth is relaxing. Under her head rests a pillow of hopes and aspirations, desires dried away a long ago at a sunny noon. Stars struck her skeleton and moon smudged with her. Love galaxy hallowed her text and texture. Let not a leaf stir around her. Let her be in her sweet dreams. She is happy here, it seems. Mother Earth is relaxing. Thank you for watching.